In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Todoist notifications. Keeping your notifications under control is one of the easiest ways to make Todoist feel calmer and more focused, instead of overwhelming. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can decide which alerts you really want to see and which ones you're better off turning off. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account on the web or desktop app. Starting from your main Todoist view, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, usually showing your name or initials. Right beside that, there's a small arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. This opens a drop-down menu with options related to your account. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. Settings is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes behavior in Todoist, and it's also where all your notification preferences live. When the settings window opens, you'll see a menu or tabs along the side or top, depending on your version. Now, find and select the section called Notifications. Click on Notifications to open your notification settings panel. This is the central place where you can customize which alerts you receive and how you receive them. You'll usually see a list of different types of notifications, such as reminders, task updates, comments, mentions, and project activity, along with different channels like email, mobile, or desktop. Next, you'll see checkboxes beside each notification type. To enable a specific notification, make sure its box is checked. To turn one off, simply uncheck the box. As you go down the list, think about what truly requires your attention. For example, you might keep notifications for task reminders and mentions from collaborators, but disable general activity updates if you find them distracting. Take a moment to scroll through the full list and adjust each option according to how you like to work. Remember, you can always come back and change these later if your needs shift or if you realize you're getting too many or too few alerts. Once you've checked and unchecked everything to your liking, your changes are usually saved automatically. You can close the settings window and continue working in Todoist, now with notifications tailored to support your focus instead of interrupting.